In this video, we will look at spellings. Now, spellings is the easiest error but the most overlooked one, right? What are the patterns that you can expect in your exam when it comes to spellings? One, it could be vocabulary, right? Word choice. Is this the right word in this context? Is this the most effective word in the context? The second one is spellings itself, right? So let's apply this learning and understand to identify errors pertaining to spellings in a context.
The government is committed to providing world-class infrastructure to sustain extensive growth of industries. So the highlighted words here are committed, sustain, extensive and growth. Now, which of these words do you think has an error? Do you think it's an incorrect word in the context, or do you think it has to do with a spelling mistake? So if you're good with words, if you read a lot, if your vocabulary is extensive, and if you notice, all these words are very basic words. They're not complicated. The difficulty level is not really high. These are all words that you're familiar with, which means you ought to know the spelling of all these words, right? Let's look at the first word here. Committed, is that the right spelling? Confusing. Committed, C-O-M-M-I, if you knew the word, then you know that a T is missing, right? So the error for example 1 is in part 1. So that's your answer. Let's look at the second example. All the competitors completed the race with just one exception. Okay, so the highlighted words are competitors, completed, race, and exception. Let's go word by word and see if it's the right fit. The meaning, is it correct? Is it complete? All the competitors completed the race with just one exception. The meaning seems right, and all these words seem like the right fit in this context, right? But then let's look for spelling errors. All the competitors, correct spelling, completed, correct spelling, race, correct spelling, but exception, sorry, what is missing? The C is missing. So the error is in part 4. Let's go ahead and add the C there. There you go. So the error is in part 4, and we've changed the spelling of exception. Let's look at one more example, and let me see you identify that error quickly before I give out the answer. Poor posture can lead to muscular problems in later life. Yes, absolutely, right? Something that you'll have to keep in mind, especially when you are sitting for long hours, at one place, correct? Desk jobs, sedentary jobs. Watch out. So poor posture can lead to muscular problems in later life. Okay, so are the words correct, fit? In the context, is the meaning coming across clearly? Poor posture, right? Your positioning, your seating can lead to muscular problems in later life. So is there any problem, or is there any spelling error? Poor posture can lead to muscular problems in later life. I feel everything is correct. Posture is correct, lead is correct, muscular is correct, problems is correct. So the answer is option 1. Everything is correct. No error in this particular example sentence.
So I'm sure these examples, have opened your eyes, just making you aware of something as simple as this and how we complicate it for ourselves, right? Spellings, easiest error to go ahead and find out. However, I would advise you to read extensively to register the spellings of new and unfamiliar words. Keep practicing. Let's move to our next component in finding errors.